Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Lewa. So today is wash day and I am going to show you how I wash my hair using products that are always on ground. I recorded a video about this. You can always find these products, so I just want to show you how these products work. If you've never tried them before, if you're still trying to decide should I get this product or not, I'm going to show you how they work on my hair, and I know it's going to be a perfect wash day, so keep watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I don't know what you're waiting for.
So I'm using the Detangling Hydration Shampoo by The Main Choice, and this is a moisturizing shampoo, not a clarifying shampoo. So you wouldn't go with this one when you have product buildup or after you've used a gel with a really hard hold. This is moisturizing and it contains lots of plant extracts, so it has great detangling properties, and it also lathers very well and smells great. After rinsing my hair, it feels very soft and well conditioned. Next, I'm using Alikay's Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner. It has a medium consistency, so it's not too thin and not too thick. So you want to make sure your hair is wet while using this product to get great slip. So you might need to use a lot of it on one section depending on the thickness of your hair. I got the 16-ounce jar. The last one I got, which I have used up, smelled like chocolate, and I was expecting the same scent, but this one smells just like rosemary, or maybe it's sage. It doesn't affect the performance of the product though. It still works really well, and considering the quantity of product that I used, I think my hair absorbed pretty much a lot of this product. I steamed my hair for 30 minutes and it felt very soft after rinsing. Next, I used Mielle's Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. It detangles beautifully and it smells so good. I followed up with the Coconut Styler by Camille Rose Naturals, which is quite thick. And finally, I used the Curl Maker by Camille Rose. This also detangles very well. It smells amazing. It gives a soft hold, and it's always the last product that I use because it forms a soft or a light film around the hair strands to prevent it from getting dry quickly. So that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, please. Subscribe if you haven't, and let me know which of these products you have tried in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.